Here's how to set the time on your Hilton Hotel clock. First, go to the back where it says for hotel staff use only and use it yourself. Unscrew the battery pack and find the button saying clock/adjust. You press it once and the hours flash, and then you can adjust it with the plus and minus buttons. You press it again and the minutes will flash this time, and you can adjust the minutes. Press it again and you can even set the year. So it is 2024, and we press it again, and then there's this hour adjust switch, which if it's on daylight saving and you don't want it to be, you can press the -1, and if you want to add daylight saving, you press the +1. And that's pretty much it. So it's a bit easier than the last incarnation of Hilton Hotel clocks. Screw up the back, pretend that you've never been there, because remember, it's for hotel staff use only. And the time is now exactly 7:41, and time for my delicious croissant and freshly ground coffee.